How to add Gemini to Google Home. So if you want to use Google's smart AI, Gemini, to manage your smart home devices instead of traditional Google Assistant, I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. So first, you will need to make sure that your Google Home app is updated and the Gemini extension is enabled. So you just open up your Google Home app, which you can download from the Google Play Store, right here, Google Home. Not available in all countries, by the way, guys, keep in mind. Then you open it, tap the settings, and join the public preview. This is vital. Program, if prompted, to access the latest AI features. Next, you open up the Gemini app as well, tap your profile photo, and then select extensions. Extensions are also region specific. Scroll down and make sure Google Home extension toggle is switched on. This will grant Gemini permission to control your smart lights, switches, and thermostats. And in order to access the settings where you can enable the extension for home, just go here, click, and in there you'll have an extensions tab where you can download and install the home one. So then open your phone's system settings and search for digital assistants. And then you just need to remove pretty much your usual assistant and replace it with Gemini as your default. And Gemini understands conversational multi-step prompts much better than traditional assistant voice commands. So just add it and enjoy. If this helped, make sure to subscribe to the channel.